Hello, student. A very warm welcome to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher. So today we have to start our new chapter. That is chapter 6. That means already we have completed our total 5 chapter, and today we will start a new chapter. Chapter 6, changes around us. Okay, the new chapter name is changes around us. Okay, so we have a new chapter, changes around us. So with the name we can understand the topic is something like that we have to learn in this chapter what are the changes are every day happening around us. Okay, now we have to, in this chapter we will learn the different changes which are happening around us. If we will see, we have always seen that, have you seen that moon and sun is they are changing their size, they are, so what we feel that they are the same, like, okay, every day we see the same type of a sun, same type of moon, same type of a star. So is this really they are not changing their shape, they are there is no change in them. So what happened in universe? Okay, we are talking about the in universe. Everything is changing with the passage of time. Okay, so everything is changing. So what happened, some there are some changes which are very quick and we can easily see and they are easily visible, but still there are some changes in some objects, some things that which we cannot see, or we can say there are some changes which are very slow and we can see them after so many years or after a long time. As I have taken the example sun. So we feel that every day we see the same type of sun, but if we will talk about the scientists, if we will believe in scientists, so they will say that there is a change in the sun, because the sun is a huge wall of fire, we can, but every day and every time, every moment the surface of the sun is changing continuously. Same if we will take the next example, that is rock. Now we can say easily rock is same in the previous time we have seen the same type of rocks. Yesterday we have that rocks, as the same time today we have seen it is the same type. But if we will talk about the rocks after 1,000 years, okay, after 1,000 year it will convert as a, it will become as a part of soil, or it will be converted into a soil. That means there are some changes which are very quick and we can easily we can easily see, but still there are some changes which are very slow and it will get time to see and to find the changes in that objects. Okay, next if we will talk about the star, we every night we see that stars are twinkling in the sky and they are the very small objects, but if in actually we will talk about, so they are very larger and they are bigger, as much bigger than the sun also. But just because of the distance between the earth and stars, we see them, they are very small stars. Okay, so that means sometimes it happens the appearance of that objects will feel us that they are same as it. Okay, the appearance, the color. And now if you are talking about a plant, so what happened, first it is a seed. Okay, it is a seed, but after some time it will change into a sapling, then it will changes into a plant, then after years, after a years, 2 years, 3 years, it will completely grown as a tree. Means there is a change, but it is from the seed to tree, it is a slow change, not a quick change. Okay, it is a slow change. So so the basic, it is a basic concept behind this chapter, or we can say it is just an introduction part of the chapter. That means every time everything is changing with the passage of the time in this universe. But the basic, again and again say, some changes are very quick and they are visible very, so we can easily see that this thing is changing. But as we can easily see, the tree is changing from the seed, then seed to sapling to plant and tree. But if we are talking about the rock, we are not we can see that rock is converting into the soil, because it will take thousands of years, but it will also change. So means everything is changing in this universe with the passage of the time. So this is the basic introduction of the chapter. And In the next live class, we will talk about the different effects like changes in color, changes in size, change in shape, position. So these things in descriptively we will talk, we will discuss in the live class. So please watch and read this topic very carefully. Thank you. We will meet in the next live classes.